More comments on stabilizing this Ironworker here. So we fixed some temporary legs on it. The main challenge here is when this cylinder draws on one end, that the blade goes perfectly past each other with a very tight space of about 7/1000ths of an inch, is a figure I've heard. Now the pivot plates here, same ones as in the backhoe. You see the spacing there. This has to be very tight to allow perfect motion, and the way that the prototype 2 Ironworker does it, let's take a look at that. Let's move to the other side of the shop. So we go back to the Ironworker that's based on a Piranha, and what they do here is, if you look at this entire structure, the front, you can say right here, this big bar here pinches the entire structure together, so the top arm moves down, this bar here pinches it, but it moves around the center section here, you can hardly see it, guiding these bars here, guiding the motion perfectly up and down at the front and at the back. There's this structure here that pinches from both sides, so it's on one side, and the other side that pinches the big arm, so it goes perfectly up and down. So it's fixed from both one side and the other to make the motion, the blade gap right there, be perfect throughout the motion. So we need to do that on our Ironworker, simple prototype that we're building.